careful.
I was too afraid.
Are you serious?
Get closer.
Are you serious?
Get closer.
That's how I burn my fingers.
Well, now we know why it was so cheap.
Oh, it's a dud.
All right, next.
It's a dud. Exactly. Yeah.
I went to the
All
first Smith parking lot.
Maybe it's supposed to still be in the map on the paper.
There's like shit raining down right now.
Oh yeah. I told you it makes a mess. It ain't light. These things aren't light. Wasted money.
Yeah, just scaring the shit out of me.
Trees don't fall.
Lesson learned, don't buy your fireworks at the grocery store. Car coming.
It's a dud. It's a dud.
It's still on. Okay then, we tried.
Good thing the neighbors out there.
Let me see. What does this say?
Mom and Dad, let's go.
We suck.
I might have to
Let's
just.
try these.
That's nothing. That you just open it, you throw them, and they pop. That's all.
Hey.
Get that out of here.
Doesn't matter. Just hold on to the car for a minute.
It's like the wind's blowing out the flames.
I give up.
Oh, what about, let's try these little ones.
You think we're supposed to leave it maybe?
I did. I left that one. It didn't work.
Yeah, they're not staying lit.
Get that. Don't keep it in your hand.
It doesn't matter, it doesn't stay lit. Alright, these.
Hold on, just open this. Already got one open.
Oh. How do we do these?
Just throw them.
You just throw them down?
Yeah.
You don't light them? Light them?
Watch.
You want to throw them all at once?
Yeah.
Put them in the street.
What was that?
Poppets?
Oh. No, you do it one at a time.
No, we decided to do a bunch of them.
It's already Oh,
I'm
the rest
so
is just.
bummed out.
It don't work, huh? Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
They all shoot out this over here.
Mom,
Well, I'm not going to blow my hand off.
but don't throw it.
Oh, I'm sorry, honey. We tried, but nothing's working.
Well,
I don't know what else to do.
duds. Just get rid of them.
They were all duds?
Yeah, nothing's like
Everything,
not real, like real.
they burn out before it gets to the fuse, and I'm not gonna hold it straight up to the
Yeah,
fuse.
absolutely.
You need like
Not.
a bonfire.
Yeah, just
Be
throw them in the
careful, Kate.
bonfire.
All I'm do is pop it, so it's-
How do they pop before you even hit the ground?
I think it's the ground that makes it pop.
Yeah, but some of them are popping
Yeah.
in his hand.
That's what they threw at Antonio in that story. Told you that story I have.
What?
Oh, I just threw one down. I want my $13 back.
We'll put them in there and see if it's a dud.
They'll send them back to China.
Hey,